How to block likely spam for T-Mobile. Let's get started. T-Mobile provides Scam Shield app which includes features like Scam ID and Scam Block. Scam ID alerts you to potential scam calls while Scam Block automatically blocks known scam numbers. In order to get this app, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app T-Mobile Scam Shield. Once app appears, install it. After completion of installation process, you can launch this app and go through the settings and enable the feature to block likely spam. Likewise, heading towards next solution, what you can do is close this and launch your preferred browser. Now go ahead and type in T-Mobile and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, T-Mobile, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of T-Mobile. Now over here you will see this option of login, click on it. Again, click on the option of login. You will land to the login page. Now over here type in your credentials to log into your account, email, phone number or username, and then click on following. In the next page you will need to type in the password and then click on done. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the tools or settings section and find the option for call blocking. From there, you can add numbers to your block list or activate call blocking feature. Likewise, if you receive spam calls or messages, you can report them to T-Mobile by forwarding the spam message to 7726. This helps T-Mobile improve its spam detection algorithms and protects other users from similar spam. So these are the following steps you can apply to block likely spam from T-Mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.